Hello all. Today this is another assignment from Data Structure Fundamentals and Self-Assessment on 1. There are 3 questions from the assignment number 7 need to be answered. And the first question is that explain real-time applications of 2D array. The real-time applications are image processing. As actually 2D array is a tabular form or grid type of array which have grid type of data elements placed. So it is used for image processing on display and digital signal processing, also graphics design processing, and also tabular type of games like chessboard and TikTok, any of the tabular form of games like board games, any of the board games will be useful. We can implement using 2D arrays. We are all can we are in all these applications we use 2D arrays. Also, image processing, computer graphics, board games, yes, other board games. Also, digital analysis of visualization of data. Mm, the other one is image digital signal processing. Also, we covered and grid-based algorithms. If you have any algorithm like arithmetic operations or any operation need to be find like where the cell is present, if you want to take some one of the data element from the manipulate the data element from the grid type of algorithm based on to manipulate the data and digital signal processing. Next question is how to insert an element in the middle of the array. If we have array of length, if we have an array and we know the length of the array, and we have to insert an element middle of the array. So what we do is we calculate the length, we get the length, and we will divide it by 2. If it is even, that's fine. If it is for suppose example we have array of length 6 and we divide by 2 and we will get index as 3 and we will add 1, so 4, and 4 will be the center of the array which has 7 elements because previously it is 6 elements. By adding another element it will be totally 7 elements. If it is odd, then we will can choose either we can choose any of the element like in center position. What is the 5 elements? We can add element at 3 or 4. Sorry, 5 element. If we add an element, it will become 6 elements. So we can add at 3 position or at 4 position. So 2 elements will be one side and another side 2 elements. You can choose any of the element position for even type of odd type of array. Okay, odd length array. And whenever we are inserting an element, we have to shift the right side of the elements to the one position forward each element, and we have to make space in the center, and then we will insert the element. These are the steps to insert. First we have to determine the position of the center element, then we have to shift the all elements one step forward towards the right and towards the end. Okay, then we will insert the new element in the space we created for in the middle. This is how we write the program to insert middle element. How to find reverse of a string. So if we have hello world like that string and then we have to reverse. How to find reverse of the string. First we have to get the string input string and then we have to iterate reversely, like we have to take maximum uh, length of the string as input value for I value, and then we have to take that one and we have to assign that one to new reverse string variable, and we have to declare a variable to store the reverse string, and then we will take the last element and we will store it to the reverse string, and then we iterate to the entire length, and the last second from the last, and we will add that to the reverse string, and keep adding one by one in the reverse manner, like from the end element to first element. And once iteration is completed, full length, then the string will be the reverse string. The resultant string will be the reverse string. Okay. Start with the version string that you want to reverse, and initialize empty string will hold the reverse version of the string, and it transfer the original string from the last character to first character. Okay, we have to keep storing, picking the last character and storing it at the first, and then we have to pick up the next last character, and we have to store in the second, like that. For each counter and one, append will be in counter, append it to the reverse string. Once you iterated through the entire original string, the reverse string will be the desired result. Okay, this is how we write program. If you want to print a normal string, like we will write I is equal 0, and then we will put length greater less than or equal less than I. Then we put initially full length as a I value, and then we will keep reducing the I value, and the resultant will be the reverse string. We keep adding elements from reverse order. That's all. Hope my all three answers are clear. Thank you, one and all.